So today is day 2 of working on my makeshift fire pit. This is how much I got done so far. I'm gonna be doing an hour today. The beginning, I'll put the beginning up before this. I'll show that, and then it's a time lapse. Then I'll start this. I'll be doing this for an hour. I'll show you what it looks like after an hour. And last time I worked on this, the area right here had some water, and that's from our septic tank, I think, or something having to do with the toilet. So I'm gonna see what to do with that. I'm gonna see if water still comes out of there. If it does, we'll figure something out. So right here is day 1 of me working on the bricks, and I start by making an outline. I go over it twice just so I can make sure I see it, and immediately I'm already tired from that. But from there I start working on throwing away all the bricks and getting them all out of the way so I can start digging from there. Look at this junk. Oh yeah. Hold on. Beautiful. That is deep, a couple inches. I'd say it's pretty average sized if you ask me. Probably has a good personality. So this was day 1 of me working on the fire pit. I don't remember how long I was digging for, but Enjoy sped up me digging a hole. So coming up in a few seconds when the video goes back to normal speed is me on day 2, starting the day off for the hour I'm gonna do, and this is the end of day 1 and how much I got done from day 1. I'm gonna start with this trusty old shovel, thin boy. Big boy. Gonna go in with the handy dandy shovel. Only 8 minutes in, and I'm already dead. Anyone who ever tells you manual labor is easy, tell them to fuck off. Anyone who says the gym's the same as manual labor, bullshit. Look at this beauty. Yep, right there. Oh, yeah, that's pretty. We love to see that. Dirt's getting a little rough. You gotta hit it with one of these. I would use a pickaxe, but ours broke. So it's the best thing I got. Oh, fuck. This ain't it. This is not it. So, note to self, iPhones suck. My phone overheated and wouldn't let me use it. I'll put that up right now. But if there's any geologists in the comments, which I don't know why a geologist would be watching this, but tell me if you know what this is. I can't flip it. Hold on. Okay. That right there. I'm thinking that that is some type of old insect hive, because if you see right there, I don't know if you can see that, but before I smushed it all with the shovel, it looked like a hole going in, like it burrowed in. Hey Lala. So that's what I'm thinking it was, but it's not a big deal. Just wanted to show y'all. I'm glad I wanted to show that, because if I didn't want to show it, then I wouldn't have known my phone overheated, and then I would have lost a lot more footage. So I'll keep an eye on it every 10 minutes. I'll look at it, make sure it's still recording. And then if not, I'll just put it back in the freezer like I did for a couple seconds. But note to self, fuck iPhones. Back to the long haul. Not my first one, but Jesus, so many rocks, so much clay too. Yeah, clay. Fuck, whole lot of red, whole lot of back pain. That's what this is. Jesus. Oh my God. I thought my lower back would be hurting. Now it's my lats, upper back and everything. Shit's deadly. Alright, so what I'm about to do is even out or pick up all the dust that I can and see how it is, see where I'm at level wise, and go from there, trying to level it out. I don't want it to be inclined or slanted any, so I'm gonna pick up all the loose dirt and see where to go from there. Michael Jordan was on to something when he said water is basically a magical elixir, or whatever he said in Space Jam. I don't know if LeBron said it. I haven't watched Space Jam 2, but MJ, OG. The elixir of life. This is all a man needs sometimes. So I got about 3 minutes left. I'm gonna smooth it out as best as possible, just to make it look a little presentable for the final product after an hour of digging, evening out, figuring it out. Let's do it. And that's time. Let's go ahead and look at our final product. Okay, so after an hour of grueling hard work, I think I grew a couple hairs on my chest. I think I got a couple extra hairs on my nuts too. Let's just look at the hole. Okay, so here's the side angle view from the bottom of the hill, and then view from top of the hill. So it's not quite where I want it yet. I think I'm gonna dig it down a couple extra inches, and then from there smooth it out. I want it to be even. So for you to understand that, this side I'm basically gonna have to dig deeper than this side, since this side is going downhill and this side is going uphill. But yeah, not as smooth as I want it yet, but we're still gonna keep digging. It's still a work in progress. Happy with what I did. All this fucking dirt, look at this pile. I think that we could use that for a driveway or smoothing out some grass, but then that requires me to grow grass. And I'm no gardener, although I look like one. This is part 1 of whatever part series this is gonna be. If you didn't enjoy the video, leave a like and... Damn, I fucked that up. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and comment down below. If you didn't enjoy the video, leave a dislike and comment down below what you think I can do to improve. Other than that, have a great day.